UN General Assembly 2023, Imbroglio around Niger speaking. The 2023 UN General Assembly is taking place from September 19th to 26. Representatives from 17 African nations are scheduled to speak at the assembly, including Niger. However, the UN does not recognize the current junta government in Niger, which came to power through a coup on July 26th. As a result, Niger may not be allowed to speak at the assembly. The junta had sent their foreign minister, Yao Sangare Bakari, to represent the country at the UN. Bakari, who was appointed as Niger's representative to the UN in March, had a diplomatic passport and accreditation to access the UN headquarters. He was in New York on September 18th for the Summit on Sustainable Development Goals. Bakari even made a video at the UN, stating that Niger is represented and will participate in the Assembly's work. However, the UN received a request from Hassoumi Massaoudou, the foreign minister of the overthrown regime of Mohamed Bazoum, who is considered the legitimate power in Niger. As a result of this request, the UN decided to no longer recognize Bakari as the ambassador. The UN is currently investigating how the junta representative was able to enter the building with a deactivated ambassador badge. It remains uncertain whether anyone will speak on behalf of Niger at the assembly before it ends on September 26th.